X and y are integers that are both negative. Okay, what is x? This tells me x squared minus y squared equals 7. The two negative numbers squared, and the difference of them equals 7. So what combinations of integers squared, give you a difference of 7? Well, I guess the only thing that's possible is that it's 4 squared minus 3 squared, because it's 16 minus 9 equals 7. If you kind of look through differences of squares like that, that's going to be the only possibility that works. Also look at this, x plus y times x minus y equals 7. So if they're integers, then both x plus y and x minus y are integers also. If x and y individually are integers, then these are integers as well. So this could be like 1 times 7, because 7 is prime. Or it could be like negative 1 times negative 7, or that switched around. Well, first of all, x plus y could not equal 1. You couldn't have the sum of two negative integers equal negative 1, right? So because it'd be like negative 2 and negative 3, or negative 1 and negative 1. Because they have to be, if they could be fractions, it could be equal negative 1. But the sum of two negative integers could never be negative 1. So it can't be, this x plus y cannot be negative 1. But it could be like maybe negative 7 and negative 1. But then let's look at that. Like another thing we can notice is that x plus y could not be 7, because x and y are both negative integers, so they couldn't add together to be a positive number, so that's out. So it's really that they're negative 7, negative 1, or negative 1 and negative 7, but we just said x plus y could not equal negative 1, so it's got to be that x minus y equals negative 7. X plus y is negative 7, and x minus y is negative 1. So from there, I mean, you have two equations with two variables. You can, that's enough. You can plug in and solve. X equals y minus 1, and then just put that in for there. Well, either way, we have two equations and two variables. We can solve for either x or y, whichever they wanted. That's going to be enough. Okay. Number 2 tells me xy equals 12, but there's different combinations that get there. That's not that complicated. Negative 2 times negative 6, negative 3 times negative 4. That's not sufficient. 1 only.